Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ActiveCampaign for AI sales automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.activecampaign.com and press enter. You will be taken to the ActiveCampaign homepage. Look for the Get Started or Try It Free button and click it. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. Fill in your details in the required fields. Enter your email address. Create a strong password. Choose your account name. Click on the Get Started or equivalent button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from ActiveCampaign. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the ActiveCampaign website. You may be asked a series of questions about your business. Answer them to help tailor your experience. Once you've completed the questionnaire, click Continue or Next. You will then be prompted to set up your contact information. Input your business name, website, and other relevant details. Click Save or Continue to proceed. Next, you will be taken to the dashboard of your ActiveCampaign account. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the features available. Look for the Automation tab in the main menu. Click on it to begin setting up your sales automation. You can start by selecting Create Automation. Choose a template that suits your sales process or build one from scratch. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your automation. Save your changes. Finally, review your automation settings and activate it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.